I'm going to show you how you can make this kind of earnings, and we are starting right now. A few days ago, I was doing research on some faceless channels to get some ideas so I can start another faceless channel. To my surprise, I found this faceless YouTube channel that's just sharing adorable and hilarious clips of animals, and people just can't stop watching. They've uploaded only 42 videos, but just check the number of their subscribers. It's over 1.1 million. This is a very huge number, right? They just started a year ago, and if we check their earnings on Social Blade, we can see that they are making over $3,000 every single month from just uploading these simple videos. If we sort their videos by popularity, you will see these videos get lots of views, indicating that this niche still has lots of potential. We can replicate what these guys are doing and make this kind of amount, and guess what? You can do this without making your own animal videos. Yes, I will show you the easiest way to get these videos in a few steps without copyright, so that you can monetize these same videos on other platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and even Facebook. This is easier than you think, so hit that like and subscribe button, grab a glass of wine, and let's get into it. Alright, so we first need to find some cute animal videos, and for this, we are going to get the videos from Chinese app of animal videos. We will use the Xiaohongshu app. We need to get it from the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. If so, open your Play Store or App Store, search for Xiaohongshu, download it too, and register. You can also choose and quote pets and quote on the explore page if you like. All you have to do is look for videos with many views and engagement. I'm talking about likes and comments. Leave the video if it has less than 100,000 views. Alright, so I found this video here, and as you can see, it's quite interesting. It has no subtitles or captions, so let's download this as our first video. Quote. This will copy the video link to your clipboard. Next, I will click the Xiaohongshu option since I copied the link from the Xiaohongshu app. Now paste the link here and click and quote. Submit the video to our device. Next, we need to repurpose the videos we downloaded, and to do that, we simply need to edit the videos and add some humor and originality. First, let's get a funny caption or subtitle for the. To do this, we are going to ask our dear friend, ChatGPT, to give us a humorous caption. To get a very good caption. Alright, so now that we've gotten our caption, the next step is editing. Don't worry, we are not going to do anything complicated. All we're going to do is add some uniqueness and put our caption on it. For this step, we'll use Canva. Now, let's add your own audio. Guys, let's see the final result. Looks good, right? Now, go ahead and start uploading these videos regularly on all platforms. With consistency, you'll start seeing growth. And who knows, You could be the next viral faceless channel. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tips on how to grow your YouTube and social media presence. Also, let me know in the comments if there's anything specific you'd like to learn. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.